फ्लॅटेड हा हवेत मध्ये उवाड शॉट आणेच लवकर चेंडूला पिक केलं. यतीन बडवी यावेळी पुन्हा एकदा हलक्या हाताने फक्त दिशा दिली. गोलंदाजा वेगाचा वापर केलाय. यावेळी लेग साइडला थांबला आणि लेट खेळला. थांबून लेट खेळलेला फटका पॅडल.
Short of lane delivery away from the leg stump. Nicely helped it along down to the deep square leg region. This is up in the air. Played nicely. That's a monstrous hit. That's out of here. Great batting this. This is up in the air. That is a brilliant hit. Once again down to the deep square leg region for a mammoth six once again. Full toss delivery. Dealt nicely down the ground and a good effort. A solid effort from the fielder. Must have said at least 4 runs for his side. The umpire takes a review. Definitely it is referred to the third umpire. But a good delivery and nicely played. That was intentional and played down to the third man region. Had there been